Hello, I wanna say you one hack about country class locals or castle class locals. Exactly about this small gear, what is between wheels. Maybe someone have same problem and don't know how to fix it. That's why I think that is old loco is not working. Blah blah blah. Some people maybe have a problem. They use a local, they can't pull with that local coaches or wagons. It just stay in one place and wheels don't wanna spin, or they just spin one time in couple seconds, or just stay in one place and like a little bit shaking, jumping, or someone hear a noise like tick 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 inside something. They think something is broken. I will try to help you to fix this problem, explain what is that. Exactly, problem is in this small gear. When something like that happen, when you start hear ticking or see jumping, probably this small gear slips off from needed place. It need be a little bit like on the left side. If you take it like that, and it need be more like to the left side, but sometimes it can slip off to the right side and then start the sticks and everything else. I find out how to fight with this problem. I just take a small this ring from screws, bolts. I don't know how this ring call correct. And how you see, I cut out small part of that thing, ring, and all what you need to do, pull back to the left side this small gear and put this small ring somehow in. Yeah, it get in. It will look like that. It's falling. Turn. Yeah, no, yeah. Anyway, you can see it, and it will that small ring will keep that plastic gear in needed side, in needed place. That means after you can just put back your motor, screw it, and fully enjoy with your loco, because wheels will start spin again with full power. It will that loco will be able to pull your coaches, wagons. But anyway, be careful, because if that small gear slip to the side, that means your loco probably will be need to fix soon, because that small gear is already old, maybe damaged, and it can broke to the two halves, like my old one. It looks like that now. Yeah, I was needed to replace it, and that gear, unfortunately, I don't find in single version. What I find that is with another wheels, and for county or castle cars locals, they are the same. That's why if you don't find for one, you can find for another one and use the same gear for both locals. And really, that's it. I hope you will enjoy. Just don't say if you're with your locals is problems. Don't say it's rubbish, it don't work, blah blah blah. You can easily fix it. There is a one small hack how to fight with this problem. I hope someone will help it, and just enjoy.